I mean, I'm just a short white guy from upstate New York, but that doesn't look too impressive to me. So as a new Bronco owner, there's a lot of things that are left to be desired. The outer steering links is certainly one of them. We want to introduce you today our new Pro X steering assembly for the 21 and up Ford Bronco and Bronco Raptors. They feature an 1.25" 6061 hex aluminum precision machine center rod. The smallest shank on these is 3/4. This little guy here is 5/16. That's cute. We won't be doing that here. The chromoly housings are precision machined, heat treated, and then zinc plated. The insides of the joints feature billet machine bronze bushings. The ball centers, just like the housings, are billet machine chromoly hard chrome plated ball centers. Way stronger than this little thing. The Pro X steering features 20% more misalignment capability than the OEM steering application. Servicing them is a simple snap. You see the two grease fittings here? Each housing is gun drilled. All you do is apply a standard grease here, travels down through the housing into the ball centers. Why do we actually gun drill each housing? Because the end at the rack is actually covered by a simple modification of the OEM boot, keeping the dust, dirt, and debris out of the rack. The Pro X steering for the all-new Ford Broncos features an abuse-proof lifetime warranty. For further information, please check out our website, feel free to give us a call, or check in with some of our awesome dealers and wholesalers.